Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Dinosaur Dungeon. Today I just want to show you my 1/15 scale Therizinosaurus. So this guy is about a little over 26 inches long. He's based on a 33-foot animal at a 15th scale. So he's a pretty huge sculpture. I'm about to turn him into a resin model kit. So I figured I would film a little video of him on a turntable so you can see him from all angles and get an idea of what he looks like. I've just primed him because he's the original. He's actually already cut and ready to be molded. So he is going to go up for pre-order as of today for $240 for the pre-order price and $260 once he is released. It is a massive model. In 1 second here, and it spins around to the right spot, I'm going to put the Tyrannosaurus in there just so you can get an idea of the size. Let me do that right now. So this is the Papo T-Rex. We're going to let this thing spin around so you can get an idea of the size. Now you can see that guy's just massive. We'll let him spin around a little more. Now, he actually will stand a little bit higher once he's made. He's just got a little pole in through his stomach. But when he's made, he'll actually stand up a little bit higher because he's actually made to be fending off against a Tarbosaurus, which will be sculpted next in a 15 scale. So it will also be huge. And I'm going to make the bases for both of them so that they connect together so you can recreate a scene. So if you're interested in picking one of these guys up, please let me know. You can contact me on my Facebook page, Dinosaur Dungeon, YouTube, Dinosaur Dungeon, Instagram and Twitter, which are also Dinosaur Dungeon. And you can also check out my website at www.dinosaurdungeon.com. Thanks for checking this out, guys. Have a great day.